Yeah. Blessing up to each and every one. I don't know the thing go. You link there, my people. See? There I'm a car I'm living right about now every day. Don't know the thing go. Many people say New Link and I can't living on. Yeah man, I live see me day night again, yeah. Yes my people, so right about now. They have me talk about a thing and now I see I go on and I feel so good about it and so great about it. So me decide me I go talk about it with my people, them see? Yeah man, me turn on the AC and now people. So the other day the people say them nah yeah me go in the car because me turn up the AC so much because the place is hot people. See the look. The heat is really hot out there. As I can see. You see it? A fire out there. No joke thing, so you see have a but me turn it on just to please my viewers and my subscribers. Don't know the Link beat, right? Alright my people, you want to go on now. We see Mr. Trump then come on, Mr. Trump say that, right? For this week, over 30,000, you know what I mean? And the short-term visa are going to be granted to people, to outsiders. You know what I mean? That are the H1 visa, them, that are the work program visa, them, like when people go do farm work or hotel work in a hotel. Over 30,000, you know? So check out that, people. Check out that. As a Jamaican right now, as a Caribbean member right now, you know you're working at the tourism industry and you know you apply for your hotel job overseas. See? That's great news for you all. That's wonderful news for you all. That's why I'm telling you, people, you don't rush nothing in a life. Nothing now go on phone today. You don't know when I think you knock a phone around the corner around there saying, you know much people how long they apply for your local hotel program work over so and them a give up and decide today they can't bother the people in my teeth, but they don't know say something in store come phone man. Come tell us when Jah working up people, he working in miraculous ways, you know. Because Jah work now, look on it, over 30,000. Zin, and me know say plenty Jamaicans in other batch there where I go left out of the 30,000. See? And that I got approved this week. This week. So the Trump administration talk about that and them said this week that I got approved. So that is really great news. See? And that's why I tell people, you know, yo, on a daily basis, you know. You don't have to rob, you don't have to kill nobody if you make it, you know. You see me? Just find yourself and go learn and look at hotel work course. Nowadays, not plenty of the hotel them. You don't even have to go do no school work. Forget to learn a course, because plenty of these hotel them do training and them things that with them training in the course them so they can get an idea understanding of the course them. You get me I say? So a great news them and my people. Really great news. Zine? Really great news man. And I feel so good and so great about it. See me? Because plenty of my friends them when me know when me left in the hotel industry, apply for them thing a long time to get you. And now me know them have a bit of hope right now, turn up. No much people and them family and them kids to take care of man. And me know plenty of the hotel job them overseas people. They are short term, yes, like say 6 months, some of them 4 months, some of them 7 months, some of them 8 months in. But at least the money where I go working at that period there, you know. Me I tell you the truth, you know. It can assist a lot of Jamaica if you want to come, you can buy one look Corolla and put on the road. Tell me, I tell you something, you know. Maybe you don't add one look bathroom around this upon your house, you can add it and you add one room, you know. It can fill in a lot. You can start even have a look shop or something. You see me? More than any day Jamaica now I know so things kind of rough than a yard with the minimum wage. So it's a great things. So the youth them at Jamaica, you want to go on now, man. You know if you just go to sell some time, brother. Find no sell some time, my youth. And go learn something on the head. Because right now, plenty opportunities are come for no way. See me? Plenty opportunities and if you just hold off and build and relax on yourself. So it's a great feeling, my viewers and my subscribers. I'm so happy about this because them things there, you know, we have to highlight to the people and make them know what go on in the world. So great things is happening out there for young people. See me? And not just young alone to big people too, because they do accept and take big people to in these programs as well. So and not just young people for all people, all age, all gender, you know what I mean? It's a great feeling, people, and I don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers. But there, in the day, as I can see now, I go around this roundabout, you don't know where I go see it. You have to know how to go around this roundabout. You understand? Yeah, them plenty of these motorists, they don't obey by the rules of the roundabout. It's a first come, first go thing, so them deal with it a different way. So you have to really watch them, because if you don't watch them, people, they will get you, hit and kill you on this roundabout. So you got to be careful. You understand? So, my people, you don't know, as I tell you, when you come in this beautiful country called Turks and Caicos, you get me I say, you have to be careful of the roundabout because plenty of these drivers here, they don't look like, especially when the tourists they come in, they don't really understand that we are driving on the other side of the road and they do we cause accidents. So you gotta be cautious, always be looking, open up your eyes. You get me, as some people. So no come, so our next rental place they right over there. So let me show you how I go on. Right over there, that's where they rent several beautiful cars. See the Graceway Car Rentals right there. See it? And the Chinese restaurant there right up there, so Chin Sung Chinese restaurant. So when you want Chinese, and the best bread bake up there as well too. The real butter bread them like when you want and bakery sell at Jamaica, they sell right up there, my people. So you don't know the thing go. You link there, man, I will not stop showing you what I go on and keep on highlighting about this place. And you don't know Jamaica, I love you so much, my country, my beautiful country Jamaica. I love my people in my Jamaica. But you don't know the thing go. Right here is where I'm at right now with my beautiful wife, so you don't know what I have to do. You understand me, people? So don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. Enough love, enough respect, peace, and big up on yourself. And we say attack on them. Never stop attack New Link. Big up on yourself, people. I'm out. Peace. Bless up.